Now exclusive on Uttam Galva, where it seems that the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal is admitting the company's plea as far as the insolvency issue goes. Neha joins us, Botra, with more details, exclusive ones at that, on what's the company looking forward to on the legal front. Neha?
Well, yes, do remember that a couple of days back, ET Now had reported that Uttam Galva had received insolvency order from a Dutch supplier to the tune of 100 crore rupees, wherein the Dutch supplier had moved NCLT under the newly constructed bankruptcy norms to recover the said amount. And after that, we had also reported that the steel maker, that is Uttam Galva, had actually sought relief for 2 weeks from NCLT. And in these 2 weeks, we are given to understand that Uttam Galva actually moved NCLAT, which is a higher authority. And in fact, the matter has been admitted by NCLAT. In fact, the hearing is likely to continue on the 19th of May. Now, remember, this is a big relief coming in for Uttam Galva because once the case had been submitted to NCLT for trial under bankruptcy norms, what it really indicated was that the creditors of the company would appoint an interim professional as far as the entire insolvency and liquidation process is concerned. So as of now, at least for the time being, till the 19th of May, there is some relief for Uttam Galva as far as this movement is concerned. Also remember, not just this, 8,000 crore rupees is what the company owes to banks led by State Bank of India and IDBI Bank. And to that end, banks are also trying to induct a strategic investor to bring some comfort in form of fund infusion going forward. This, of course, is something that remains to be seen how it will pan out given the crucial legal developments. But do keep in mind that State Bank of India and Edelweiss ARC and in fact even Aeon Capital had submitted bids for acquiring stake in this steel maker, and we'll have to see how this progresses. But for now, Uttam Galva has confirmed these developments, and that really is a big relief coming in for Uttam Galva, at least for now.